In this video, I'm going to teach you how to get better engagement on social media. That's more likes, more shares, more comments, and more business for your company using short-form video content. If you're ready, let's go. Before we dive in, let's define what short-form video is. It's any video that's under 3 minutes long. Although typically, the sweet spot is between 30 seconds and 2 minutes. Now, according to HubSpot, short-form video content ranked #1 in lead generation and engagement. That's huge. That's the reason why businesses are on social media. The other advantage of short-form video content is that it opens you up to an entirely new audience on platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube, where if you're not posting video, you're not being seen. So it really expands your reach. So let's recap the advantages of short-form video content. Well, we learned that it's between 30 seconds and 3 minutes long, that it ranks #1 in lead generation and engagement, and it opens you up to an entire new audience on these different platforms. So if you enjoyed this video, check out my other videos where I dive deeper into the advantages and how to use short-form video content to grow your business. Till next time.